Good afternoon, all are welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, Hyderabad, Department of Information Technology. On today's, we start the practical session on practical number 11th on course that is subject data structure using C. Here, marks allocation for theory and practical part. Here, vision mission of department, departmental vision statement to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Course outcome: after the completion of this practical, you achieve which CO? Fourth CO, that is implement basic operations on linked list. This is a content page. On today's practical session, we will learn practical number 11, that is perform operations on circular singly linked list. These are the practice course outcome matrix. In that, on today's practical session, you will learn practical number 11, that is perform basic operations on circular linked list that is mapped with the fourth CO. Practical number 11, perform operations on circular singly linked list. Algorithm flowchart that are completed for your homework for you. Practical number 11, perform operations on circular linked list. Practical significance: in some applications, dynamic memory allocation using simple singly linked list may prone to storage wastage if data items are deleted. So simply singly linked list can be used in a circular manner. It gives the flexibility in a storage management. Means what? In that singly linked list also dynamically memory allocation for the execution purpose, but in that case sometimes storage wastage is created on that single linked list, but in that circular linked list is not possible because last node is connected with the first node. So in that circularly all pointers are connected with, all nodes are connected with each other. So in that no storage wastage. Means what? In a remove the disadvantages of singly linked list in the circular linked list. Practical outcomes: basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practices, engineering tools and communication. This is the practical outcomes. Write the C program to perform the operations insert, delete, traverse and search on circular linked list. Traverse means what? Display. After that, this is the minimum theoretical background. In that state as the last node is connected with the first node. In that state as the last element points to the back to the first node. Their head. Okay, we see the circular singly linked list. So only for two fields are there. One is the data and second is the next. In that next field, address of the next element are present. Insert a node in a three ways: at beginning, at end and at a particular position. Delete a node also same in three ways: at beginning, at end and at the given position. Algorithm and flowcharts is completed it. Program code, output. After that, complete your resource table, result, conclusion, practical related question. 4 questions are there. Given one homework for you. Exercise question in under 2 questions are there. This program perform operations on circular singly linked list. This menu driven program in under the lecture number 46, last lecture of unit number 4, that are completed. It means each programs also explain it, also demonstrate through Turbo C++ software. Again, I am to demonstrate you how to run using through Turbo C++ software. But you refer the lecture number 46 for the understanding for the program code. Write the C program to perform the operations insert, delete, traverse, search on a circular linked list. On a circular singly linked list. For that, resource use tables are completed. Practical related questions in there. 4 questions are there. Extra questions are given. Explain circular linked list. After that, in exercise question, 2 questions are there. Result output of this practical attached after the program. Conclusion: by this program I am able to create, insert, delete, search and display means traverse operations on circular singly linked list. The program menu driven program for circular singly linked list. In under these are the header files. In a function 3 types are there: function definition, function call, function declaration. These are the function declarations. One by one: create, insert at beginning, at end, at after position, delete at beginning, delete at after position, delete at end, press search and display. These are the function declaration. After that, structure declaration are there. In a circular linked list, the pointer will be stored in a last node. So last as a structure variable taken, global variable. After that, void main variable declaration, clear screen, output window will be clear. Display the message, in that menu will be display. While loop is used because this menu is again and again repeated it, and under menu will be display again. Switch case are there. In each case, one by one function will be called. At the end, exit. After the default case is the wrong choice message will be display. Get ch. After that, one by one function definitions are there. These are the create function definition. After that, void insert at beginning, void insert at end, void insert at after position, that function definition of void delete at beginning. After that, at end, the function definition of delete after position. Void display function definition for display function. That void search. This program again demonstrate through Turbo C++. This is the program. Draw file, function declaration, structure declaration, void main, printf, scanf, switch case, all choice are switch case, one by one function call in each cases, the one by one function definitions. First of all, compile it. After that, run it. First choice, create. For example, I am giving the create as the 30. Again we create insert at beginning 20. Insert third choice, insert at end 50. Fourth choice, add after position, giving the element 40 after the position 0 1. Given one first position means after one the element will be inserted. After that, fifth choice, delete at beginning, 20 will be deleted. After again sixth choice, delete at end, 50 will be deleted. Okay, again we insert the element. Display the using ninth choice, 90 30 10. After that, I use the choice number 7, that is after the position. For example, 1. So on first position, that will be deleted it. After that, 8th search, 30 will be searched at index first position found at. Again we choice, given the choice 8, search the element 50, element is not found. 9 for display, 10 for exit, 11 for wrong choice, 10 for exit. This is the program execution using through Turbo C++. Result output of this practical attached after the program. Conclusion: by this practical I am able to done create, insert, delete, search and display operations on circular singly linked list. Summary: by this practical session, to complete the practical number 11, homework for you, prepare your practical number 11 in a notebook. These contents are completed it. Here stop on today's practical session. In this practical session any doubts arise, then contact with me. Thank you.